Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have a cold, so I sound like no, if you know what I mean. But today I'm going to be doing a makeup look. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do. I think of putting a bit of purple, pinks, orange, yellows, you name it. I'm going to give it a go. I just really want to improve on my makeup skills and like I really want to build in it because makeup is really what I love, and I've kind of noticed I'm really like I've got like my heart is like, that sounds so dedicated, but like I want to do makeup, like I want to become very successful in makeup, if that makes any sense. I have had a spray tan, so I'm quite dark. I'm going to do my eyebrows first and then I'll get straight back to you. I just don't want to take my time doing eyebrows for ages. I'll be back in a minute. I won't be a minute, it will literally be like not even a second, 0.5 seconds. Anyway, let's do my eyebrows. And there's fireworks going off the bat, which is great. I'm just gonna prime my lids. I'm just going to take a bit of this concealer, the Makeup Revolution one in C1. Just gonna put a little bit on there. And what I'm gonna do is I am just gonna tap that in. Tap, tap, tap. And then this is just gonna give it an even base. Ooh, we went a bit bright then, eh? Right, cool. And then we're just gonna go over that powder a tiny little bit. So let's do our eyeshadow. First colour I'm wanting to take is going to be a purple. Like I said, I have no idea. I'm just cleaning my brush by the way. I have no idea like how it's going to go. It might turn out awfully, truthfully bad, or it might turn out decent. Okay, let's go in with this. Oh, let's be careful with holding this. Let's go in with this dark purple here. This is a Jazuli palette, by the way, if you're wondering, guys. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pat this into my crease. Just going to pat that colour on. And don't worry, guys, if we get any fallout, because we don't have any base makeup on right now anyway. I really hope this goes well. Like, I really do. That colour is so nice. Okay, so cute. I'm joking. So we're gonna do this, and then I'm gonna take another brush. That was also on a Revolution brush. Doesn't have a name. Now I'm gonna take another brush from Revolution. That's that this. And I'm gonna go in with a pink. I'm gonna go in with. Let me just hold this palette. I'm gonna go in with this pink here. And then with this one, we're gonna go over that purple and blend it out. Well, I really hope this works. Why is that just like not looking where I want it to go? Not feeling this. To give it a chance, Chloe. I'll go back in with that purple again. I don't know if I've done the purple like too high or not, but I'm just not getting the like effect I want it to. think it's the blending I'm not liking. Come on, Chloe, I need to make this work. Oh, and it's too small. This is not like, what's going on here? I think it might be these eyeshadows, you know. Where? Don't know if I'm liking it. Let's try the other eye. I'm just going to do the other eye quick. Okay, I've done my other eye. I just don't know if I'm blending out properly. I mean, I think it looks okay. But I'm not sure, like, I think I should maybe darken this crease bit a little bit more. Let's see how that works, because I want to do a cut crease. Let's go with this purple here. Let's try and deepen up that. So I'll go for that. Start and deepen the crease. Okay, I want to try something. I saw this thing on Instagram where you do like this kind of cloud looking effect. Let's try that. I'm literally just like, let's try whatever. I feel like we're going to like do this cute little cloud, and then we can maybe put this like pink on it. I think that will look quite cute. And maybe a bit of this one too. Oh, let's give that. I've got a good feeling about this, guys. Okay. Just try and save this look, because I just don't think it's going the way I planned it to. Just hope this cloud goes well. Right. Because honestly I don't know how this is going to look. It might just look completely weird. But you know what, let's just roll with it. Because, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. We just want to make it look cool. Why is this just like not working where I want it to? Oh, what was there? You couldn't even see that. Does that look like a cloud? Smell it like that one. Oh, it's taken me for ages just to do this. I mean, this one's okay. This one's like, what even is that? I feel like that's the best I'm gonna get at. So I feel like this is honestly like rubbish, but it's the first time I'm doing something creative. I'm just gonna shove some eyeshadow on there. Let's go for this Tarte one here. It has little purple reflects in it. Please make this look pretty. I think that makes it look a bit better. It only looks good with light when you look down. Oh, Chloe, 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 Chloe. This one is just atrocious. Like, I'm sorry, but what is that? Cool. Everyone's literally gonna take the mick out of me for this. Love that. Honestly, I had no idea I was gonna come out of this. Like, I'm sorry, this actually looks horrible now. Doesn't even look like a cloud. I don't think I like it. I'm really sorry, guys. This hasn't turned out the way I wanted it to be honest. put some of those on, they look quite cute. So yeah, I'm just going to go with this primer here from Revolution Pro, Prime and Hydrate. Hopefully my face will kind of save the day. If not, then I don't know. So I'm proud of this eye, but this eye, I don't even know what that is. I'm just going to go in with my F5 Revolution foundation base stick. And then I'm just going to go with a darker shade too. I'm going to go in with the shade Caramel Beige, very dark. Somehow it's going to try and match me. You guys probably think, oh wow, Clay, that's a lot of foundation. It probably is, but face makeup is like my favourite part, one of the favourite parts of my makeup, because it really like transforms like what your skin looks like, and I'm living for it, so I need my skin to look nice. I'm just going to blend that in with a Revolution makeup brush. I really don't know if like anyone else will like this look. Like, I was so excited, but I just feel like it's gone like plop. I look so orange, but who cares? Why do I actually look orange though? Like, I don't usually look orange like this. Don't know what's going on there. For concealer, I'm going to take the shade C5. It's the Revolution Conceal and Define. Surprise, surprise. Because I'm at my beauty blender, I'm just going to go in the same brush. I'm going to set that in place, and then after I've done that, I'm just going to pop my eyelashes on. And then Match Perfection by Rimmel. Just put these eyelashes on. I need to put mascara on quick. I'm going to take this Pretty Little Thing mascara. I got a tester. I actually really like it. Yeah, it's just a tester. I got it when I ordered the clothes off there. I was like, okay, let's try this out, and it's actually like, I really like it. Right, let's put these on. I've literally been filming for ages. It's so funny. That's really pretty lash actually. I love that, yes. Okay, right, next one, here we go. I haven't put any eyeliner on, so yeah, that's gonna be a bit weird, but it doesn't look too bad. Cute. Okay, right. Eyelashes done. Move out of the way. Get out of my way. Let's go. Right, so I can working for me now. I'm gonna go in this big fluffy brush from Revolution. I'm saying this is not sponsored by Revolution at all. I just literally have a 10 ton of their makeup products because I'm obsessed. Okay, boom, set, done, cabiche. Just do under eyes quick. And with purple, you need to wipe away that bake. I feel like now the lashes are on, it doesn't look as bad, but I don't want it to look really random. I just thought it'd be a bit different, you know. I was gonna judge me in the tutorial, but honestly go ahead, because I really don't blame you. I feel like purple actually really like complements my eyes. Cute. The Imagination palette. Let's go in with Literally and Warrior. Well, I don't think makeup's ever taken me so long to do in this tutorial before. Like, oh gosh. Move out my way. Thank you. I like a different colour in the mirror compared to on here. It's kind of weird. Okay, let's move to let's just take the Nip and Fab and let's go in with this shade here. I'm literally rushing because I just want this to go off my face because I'm just not proud of it. I don't know how many times I said that throughout this video, but okay. I'm taking the Spotlight palette from Contour. Cool, now we're on lips. We're going to do our nice lip and we're going to put some glitter on there too. I think that'll kind of go the look, you know. You got that nice. Oh yeah, you've came a lot more closer now. This is in the shade London and it's the NYX lip liner. Love this colour. Don't know why I done that. And then Velvet Teddy and MAC. Then we're going to spice it up with some glitter. Oh, we're not going to do that. I'm just going to put lip gloss on in the shade Blue Movie by NARS. Don't know what it's called that though, because it's pink. Let's do this. It's just, I don't know. I feel like it's not amazing. I suppose it's not too bad. Okay guys, so this is the final look. It's not the best, but I tried something different. It tried to be clouds, but what's going on my eyelash? Because honestly, I'm not really like unprepared like this. It's just, it's not gone the way I wanted it to, but oh well. I tried, and I'll see you guys next time in my video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and thank you so much for your support. I'm literally like on like 700 and something now. It honestly means so much to me and I'm so grateful. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.